Okay, next. An engineer is designing an overhang above a sliding door. During the heat of the summer, the engineer wants the overhang to prevent the rays of the sun from striking the glass at noon. The overhang has an angle of depression of 55 degrees and starts 13 feet above the ground. If the angle of elevation of the sun during this time is 63 degrees, how long should the overhang be? Okay, so drawing natin. So let's say ito yung ground. Okay, tapos ito kunwari yung side ng structure. Okay, tapos kunwari ito yung sliding door, no? Okay, so, and then, meron daw ditong overhang. Okay? So, ang goal, kailangan hindi maano, yung overhang matakpan yung sinag ng araw. So, by the way, yung height nga pala nito is 13 feet above ground. Okay? Tapos yung angle of depression daw nito, kaya ako nalaman na ganyan, kasi ito ay 55 degrees according to the problem. Okay? So, ang goal natin, kapag merong sikat ng araw, kailangan hindi siya tatama dito, no? Hindi tama. So, kaya kailangan habaan natin to para hindi tatama doon. So ngayon, dun sa current elevation ng araw na 63 degrees, kailangan yung sinag ng araw, sumakto lang na nasa bottom ng structure. Ayan. Sumakto lang siya. So, kumbaga ko, ito yung araw. Yung ray niya, kailangan sumakto lang dito. Okay? At yung angle of elevation ng sun ay 63 degrees. Okay? So, ang tanong, gaano to kahaba? Ayan. So, ganun lang, no? So, para ma-compute yan, kailangan lang natin i-consider siguro itong triangle na ito. Okay? So, yung triangle na yan ay merong height na 13. Tapos, ito yung x. So, kailangan lang natin ng mga interior angle. So, di ba ito would be 90 degrees minus 55 and that gives us 35 degrees. No? Tapos, ito naman, ganun din, would be 90 minus 63 and that gives us 27 degrees. No? So therefore, this is 35 and then this is 27. Okay? And then, kailangan lang natin ito computein. So para naman makompute ito, okay, that is, kung meron ka ng triangle, dapat yung sum ng interior angles ay 180. So 180 minus 35 minus 27. So that gives us 118. Okay, so this is 118. So dito, para makompute natin yung length na yon is mag-sign law na lang tayo, no? We have x is to sine of 27 equals 13 is to sine of 118. And from here, we can solve for x. 13 sine 27 over sine 118. So that's 6.68. And that should be the length of our overhang. Okay, and that's how we solve this problem.